your PC into this. Let's do this. Google edX UI. Open first link. Go to Releases. Scroll down and download for your operating system. Install it, and that's it. You can access your files. Running commands in this feels like a hacker. Follow for more quick tech videos. Bring your desktop to life with amazing live wallpapers like these. Let's see how you can do it too. Open mylivewallpapers.com. Click on How To. Click First option. Click on Download. Extract file. Open it. Now install it. Now go to the website again to download wallpapers. Here you can choose wallpapers from a wide range of categories. Open whichever wallpaper you like. And then click on Download. Now open MLW app from desktop. Click on Add Video. Now click on Browse and select your downloaded video. That's it. Follow for more quick and useful tech videos.
Dripping on back for the next say song. Never tell a fact that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab, taking bitches straight.
Mute and skip YouTube ads automatically. No need to touch skip ads. Open Play Store. Search MacroDroid and install it. Open it. Open Templates. Go to Top Rated. Open this first macro. Tap on this Add button. Give permissions so that app can tap on skip ads automatically. Tap again on Add button. It's added successfully. That's it. Now whenever you play any video on YouTube, ad will be muted and there is no need to tap on the Skip Ads button. Enjoy your new YouTube. Share with your friends and follow for more tips and tricks. Free up space and make your PC a little bit faster. Previously it was 18 gigabytes free, and now it's 23 gigabytes free. Here's how you can do it too. Open Start menu. Click on Settings. Now go to System. Now click on Storage. Click on Temporary Files. Now just select everything except the Downloads folder. Here you can see I am going to free up almost 5 gigabytes of space. Now just click on Remove Files and it'll start removing the files. I recommend doing this every other month. Follow for more tech. TimoneECT.com. Download as per your operating system. Now install and then open it. Now open same site on your phone. Download according to your operating system. Open it. Don't forget to be on same Wi-Fi. Now connect to your PC. It's connected. Now you can do tons of things like use it as your mouse. Use it as a 3D mouse. Use it as a keyboard. Control volume. Lock or shut down your PC. Remote control your PC. Project your phone. Access PC files. Draw on your screen. Use it as a racing wheel. I just love this app. It has built-in old games. Follow for more. Remove watermarks from your images in 10 seconds. Open your browser. Go to watermarkremover.io. Now upload any photo which has watermark on it. And that's it. Watermark is gone. Before. After. Share with your friends. Follow for more such content. Compress videos like a pro. From 2 gigabytes to 200 megabytes. Open Google. Search for Handbrake. Click on Downloads. Download according to your operating system and install it. Now open Handbrake. Now just drag and drop your video. Click on Web Optimized. Click on Start Encode to start compression. Processing time depends on video length. It's done. Let's check its size. Open this PC. Go to Videos. Here it is. Original size was 1.60 GB, but now it's only 195 megabytes. There's no difference between original and compressed video. Follow for more such quick and useful videos. I'm using this normal keyboard, but it still sounds like gaming keyboard. I can also change the sound. Let's see how you can do it too. Open MacVibes.com and then click on Download. Download as per your operating system. I am using Windows, so I will select .exe file. Now just click on it to install. That's it. Now just type and it'll sound like gaming keyboards. You can also select different keyboard sounds. Follow for more quick and useful tech videos.